Gerard.
All right, cute in a little rain slicker there. Axel Jackson turning 4 years old this year. What a sweetie there in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a great birthday, Axel.
Rylan Knobloch. Nice shades, Rylan. I like that. Happy 5th birthday to you.
All right. And turning 7 years old this year, 7 strong for Nathan Fitbaum. He's ready for a ride. Like that. Love Mom and Dad, Nathan.
Run down to Springdale, Arkansas, because Drew Evans celebrating number 11. What a beautiful cake there, Drew. Happy birthday.
All right, and we've got Madison Foster. That's a fun picture there. Madison is 12 years old this year. Birthday wishes coming with love from Dad, Mom, Caitlin, Aubrey, Briley, and Owen.
From one volleyball player to another, Celie O'Banion celebrating her 14th. Celie plays volleyball. She's got a little Northeast Viking pride right there. And Celie, happy birthday from Mama and the whole family in Arma.
That's a fun one too. And let's see, we've got Erin Dietz celebrating in Weir, Kansas. Miss Erin is sweet 16
Looking like a mama,
this
isn't
year.
she?
Yep.
Yup. Happy birthday, Erin. Happy sweet 16. Good for you. Ashley Rattery throwing up a pair of 2s. Happy 22nd to Ashley in Weir.
All right, and we've got birthday wishes coming from your husband, Eric, going out to Megan Duffy Yates, who's now 35 years old. That's an awesome picture there. Megan is in Nevada.
Megan, when are we eating? That's the question. Happy birthday, and when are we eating?
I love it.
That's
Look at
a
that
good one
smile,
right there,
too.
Yeah. Jeff Dean. Hey, what up, Jeff? Celebrating the big 5-0. I'm not even going to ask how he got that picture because you don't know with Jeff. But anyway, it looks like he had himself a little trip to Ames. Got taken some Iowa State football right there. Maybe it was at Hilton Coliseum. I don't know. Jeff, a very happy 50th to you and Oswego.
All right. Richard Dudley celebrating birthday number 75 this year. Mr. Dudley is in Moran, Kansas.
Who that is? We had to come back and get this dude. He celebrated yesterday. We'll get him on. He's just back in Master Control making stuff run. He probably wouldn't pay. He wasn't paying attention to us. He's got bigger fish to fry back there, like keeping us on air. That's Jesse Conley, our Master Control operator. Jesse, a very happy birthday, my man.
Happy birthday, Jessley. I hope you had a great day and continue on celebrating the rest of the week. All right, we're also celebrating with Mr. Bob Ellis, who's now 70 years old in Joplin, and Carla Strauss is 62 in Girard.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this October the 6th, or maybe you're like Jesse Conley, you celebrated October the 5th. Here's where you can send them into, birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. And while you're there, well, Tanya has a very important birthday announcement.
But real quick, today is also my 16th anniversary for my work anniversary here.
Oh, really?
KOAM, and I wanted to say a special thank you to one of our morning show producers, Corinza. She made me a strawberry cake, and I'd like to share it with everyone after the show.
Oh, cool. 16 years, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Congratulations.
It's my sweet 16.
Yeah, it is your sweet 16.
Yeah. All right, here's my announcement. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Boy, we